Alright, we're going to do a quick demonstration on how to use the Finicky Fooler. So this is all packs up. To set it up, just going to insert your flag into the hole there. Make sure it bottoms out. It should go in there 3/4 of an inch to an inch. And then just pull the rod holder out. Insert it here. Take your rod, put it in the rod holder. And then you're just going to pop your trigger arm out and that just lays on the base right here. So you're going to open the bail. Just put your line behind this stop here. That's just going to hold your line back here. That's where all your leverage is. And then your flag goes up against that stop. It's as simple as that. Now, to adjust your tension, you're going to do it with this O-ring here. So you see I just moved that O-ring back a little bit, and you can see where it's coming up off the base. So that's a hair trigger there. Generally, I'll move it back a couple millimeters to where it's resting on the base there. And that's where I'm going to fish for crappies, perch, using some crappie minnows. So we'll set it off so you can watch this rod tip. And you can see it don't take much to set that off at all. So if you want to use some bigger baits, you're just going to dial it into whatever size bait you're using. You got a little bigger minnow for walleyes and you want to add a little more tension. You don't have to add a whole lot. Just move it a little bit. If you're going bigger, say you're going for some pike, you got some 5-6 inch shiners, you can move that all the way forward. That's going to be your heavier tension setting. One other thing is when you're setting it heavier like that, it may have a tendency to creep back on you. And that is the reason for the upper hole in the flag. So what you want to do is take that snap and just move it up to that upper hole. And that's going to keep it up against that stop and keep your tension setting consistent. So now you can see if you got a minnow flipping around down there and he's pulling on it or the wind's blowing, it's going to hold it up against that stop and you're not going to have any issues with false flags. So you can see now it takes a little more tension to set that off. That'll hold 5-6 inch shiner. So at the end of the day, when you're done fishing, you want to pack it up. You're just going to snap the trigger arm into the snap here. Take your flag out, insert it here. And then there's a little stop here. And then just grab the base like this and pull your rod holder straight out. Position it down. And then just hook it on the back of the base. And that all makes it nice and compact.